Alrighty, friends, so welcome back to our phonics portion of the day. So today we're going to go over our sight words. We're also going to practice our make-believe words. We'll work on letters and sounds. We're also going to work with um, nonsense words. Again, we will compare words that begin with the k sound, the t sound, and the a sound. We will read our student book today as well. And we're also going to work with phoneme segmenting and also onset and rhyme. So with that being said, friends, let's go ahead and do our letters and sounds. So we'll start off with letters. Okay, so here we go. J, J. A, G, G. D, D. E, S, L, O, H, M, R, W, P, Q, U, V, I, K, O, X, Y, Z, sorry. Fell asleep there, my friends. B, F, T, C, N, N. Excellent. That was really great. Now, really quickly, friends, the last two lessons, Mrs. Harrell kind of got ahead of herself and introduced to you two new sight words that are to be for next week. So, in a good way, you're familiar with the two new words that I will introduce to you again on Monday. But actually, the two words for this week are the words. Now, this one here, friends, this one is very similar to the word are, because remember with the word are, we have to focus on just one letter. So for this word, we just are going to focus on this letter right here. What is this letter? Yeah, this is the letter U. So Y-O-U spells the word you. Say that again. Y-O-U spells the word you. Excellent. And this next one is ought. You can't say ought because that is not a word. This is the word what. So the A sounds like we are saying So listen, WH makes the sound. Even though this is an A sound, in the English language, this letter will sound like okay, so it's what. So this is the word what. Okay? Like we, the, see, with, me, and come, to, I. Ooh, there is banded Y. With banded Y, this one sounds like an I. I, my. Excellent. A, you. So for this week's assessment, friends, your parents will upload you reading 4 sight words for this quarter. Okay. That doesn't mean, though, that you don't continue practicing these. You practice all of your sight words all the time, every day. but there are 4 that you're going to read out of order on Friday, okay? And that will be you, my, what, and with. So these are the 4 that you will be tested on. So make sure your parents upload a video of you reading these out of order on Friday onto Schoology, but continue practicing these, okay? The better you get at your sight words, the better readers you're going to become. All right, so let's go ahead and do our nonsense words, or actually I should say our make-believe words. All right, so here we go. And remember, it is a consonant, vowel, consonant. As, maz, ux, lux, ij, dij, good job, tav, tav, ab, ek, jack, peb, peb, bav, bav, ig, hig, at, was, was, does, does, hin, jock, jock, ick, ick, ix, ix, pack, pack, gag, gag, og, mog, wub, wub, at, app, fap. Excellent, friends. That was really, really good. And always remember that our make-believe words are consonant, vowel, consonant. So let's go ahead and work on our onset and rhymes. First things first, friends, I am going to say a word in 2 parts, and then I want you to tell me the name of the word. So listen to my word in 2 parts. Sub. What is my word? Sub. Excellent. How about ug? Ug. What is my word? Tug. Ought. What is my word? Not. In. What is my word? Chin. Et. What is my word? Jet. Am. What is my word? Lamb. Excellent. Great job, my friends. All right, so now what we're going to do is you are going to say the name of this picture in 2 parts, and I will guess what the word is. So say the name of this in 2 parts. So I'll do the first one, okay? Ix. Word? 6. Excellent. All right. Look at this one in 2 parts. Ache, rake. Very good. 2. And can. Good job. How about this one? Look at the arrow. It is pointing to this part here. Ig, wig. Great job. At, hat. Excellent. Jug, jug. Very, very good. That was great. All right, so let's go ahead and work on our daily vocabulary boost. So could you wiggle a loose tooth? Could you wiggle a loose tooth? How about could you wiggle a finger? Well, show me how you would wiggle your finger. Yeah, really, really good. Now, would it be a good idea if you walked backwards in a crowded playground? Would it be a good idea to do that? Why not? Well, you're right. I think you could probably bump into someone. Yeah, if you walked backwards. Yeah. Now, is a leap more like a hop or is a leap more like a jump? What do you think? Listen again. Is a leap more like a hop or is a leap more like a jump? I use that like constantly. But for right now, can I just have it there because I'm consistently? Yeah, thank you. All right, great job on that. So just remember that, okay, friends? That a leap is more like a jump. Excellent. All right, so I'm going to say some words, and you are going to tell me the beginning sound in each one. If a word begins with the k sound, I want you to give me a thumbs up. If the word does not begin with the k sound, I want you to give me a thumbs down. Okay, so let's try the first one. Okay, so listen to this one. Call, call. That has the k sound. All right, now listen to this next one. Lap, lap. It does not have the k sound. Yep. Hey, what about caught, caught? Run, run. Cave, cave. Get, get. Cup, cup. Excellent. Great listening ears, my friends. All right, so for today, we're going to go ahead and compare C and A. So here I'm going to show you C and A. When I show you the picture card, I want you to tell me the sound, the beginning sound or first sound that you hear. All right, so cat. Cat. Ant. Ant. Great job. Cut. Cut. Oh, upside down. Astronaut. 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 Great job. Oh my goodness, look. Cow. 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 Great job, friends. All right, so let's go ahead and I'm going to review the sound for t, the sound for k, and the sound for mm. So I'm going to say a word, and when you hear the beginning sound, I want you to make its motion. So for example, if you hear a word that begins with this sound, with this letter, so say if I say cow, I want you to do k, k. If you hear a word that begins with this letter, mom, I want you to do mm. If you hear a word that begins with this letter, say for example, if I say time, I want you to do t, t, t. All right, you ready? Okay, so here we go. The first one is can, can. What is the sound? Good job. Take, take. First sound, t, t, t. Main, main. Tag, tag. T, t, t. Mat, mat. Great listening ears, friends. Cake, cake. mist, mist, mm, mm, mm. Cane, cane, k, k, k. Take, take, t, t, t. Great ears, friends. That was fantastic. All right, so for today, the story we're going to read in our student book is titled, and friends, look at this. There are 3 sight words on this story. First sight word is I can see. And it is written by Letitia Craven, and there is no illustrator because these are real live pictures. So let's go ahead and read, starting right here, our finger underneath the capital I. Look at how many sight words there are there. 1, 2, 3. So let's go ahead and read that. I see a cat. Excellent. And you know what, friends? Yesterday in our writing lesson, remember Mrs. Harrell talked about you always start with an uppercase letter, always, 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 and you end it with a period. And later on, we'll learn about question mark or exclamation point. But for right now, we learned about capital letters and period. So let's read it one more time. I see a cat. And look how cute the cat is. Oh, let's go to this next one. And this one starts with a C. Okay, so look at that picture right there. Okay, you could also even look right here. So what would you think that is? A worm? Well, that's w. So I don't think it would be worm. So let's see. I see a caterpillar. You are correct. Read it one more time. I see a caterpillar. Great job, friends. We have gotten really, really great at using these during remote learning. Okay, so let's look at this one. Okay, and see what he's using. All right, so here we go. I see a computer. Let's read that again. I see a computer. Excellent. Oh, look at this one. What is that? Yeah, that is a castle. So let's go ahead and read it. I see a castle. Let's read that again. I see a castle. Excellent. All right. And that was it, friends. Yeah. So I will go ahead and place my bookmark on the next spot that we're going to be reading. That way we always know our bookmark always helps us open up to where we have left off. Alrighty, friends. So for our ELA lesson, make sure that you have your systematic phonics letters, okay? All right, see you in a bit. Bye.